Planny friend, it's Minh. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we're going to propagate this plant here, which is called a Calisia Repens Pink Panther, otherwise known as Pink Lady or Pink Bubbles together. Super easy plant to propagate. All you need to do is grab your clean clippers. I just clean my clippers with a 70% alcohol with a product called Isocol. If you don't have that product, you can use other products and things to clean it, like diluted dishwashing solution. So grab your clean clippers. All you need to do is grab your cuttings. So you want to grab stems that have nodes. Nodes are basically areas where the roots will grow out from, and nodes are located on this plant where the leaves grow out. So you want to have a stem that have at least 2 nodes and at least 4 leaves on it. Also, choosing stems that have some green leaves is better. The reason for that is that if you choose stems that just have pink on the leaves, the plant doesn't produce or photosynthesize as much compared to green leaves, and this reduces the chances of the propagation to be successful. So choose leaves that have more green in it. Grab your cuttings there. There's 2 ways of propagating this plant. You can put it into water, which I tend not to do because I find that it's quite tedious from acclimating this plant from water into soil. I'll show you a better method to propagate this plant and a lot easier to do. Grab your soil. So your soil mixture I use consists of 50% premium potting mix and 50% cacti soil. This potting mix will retain a little bit of moisture, but it's also well draining as well. I'm an overwater. That's why I'm going to use a terracotta pot. And the terracotta pot, what it does, it draws moisture in the soil a lot more quicker compared to, say, a glazed ceramic pot or a plastic pot. And this will try to reduce the chances of root rot from overwatering this plant. So grab your cuttings. So 2 ways to plant these cuttings into the soil. You can grab the stem, pull the couple of the lower leaves off, and then dig a hole and pop it into the soil. I'll show you a different method, which is I find a lot easier because popping individual stems in the soil is quite tedious and time consuming. So all I do is grab my cuttings, I layer it on top of the soil gently. I cut the actual stems to about 2 or 3 centimeters long, making sure that the stems have at least 2 nodes on it and at least 4 leaves. So, and then I gently spread it around evenly. Then I use cacti soil and gently place the soil on top and making sure that it's spread evenly. Then I grab the pot and I tap it on the ground a little bit just to make sure the soil is more evenly spread and just to fill out any holes and gaps in the soil. And then I use my watering can. I just use normal Melbourne tap water, which contains a lot of fluoride, contains a lot of chloride, bromide. Doesn't make a difference with this plant. Tap water is just fine. And I just gently water the top of the soil. I also make sure that I keep the soil moist for a couple of weeks. And then I go back to the normal routine of taking care of this plant by making sure that the soil is completely dry before I re-water it again. So that's how to propagate this gorgeous cute plant, Calisia Repens Pink Panther. I'll show you updates in the future once it's done. I've done an update in a month or a few months time. So I'll share a link above and below. So make sure you check out on the next video on updates on this plant. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy the content, don't forget to hit the likes button, subscribe to the channel, help your crazy plant lady out so I can grow this channel and make more videos for your viewing. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.